Hi beautiful friends, welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a fried rice dish and it's going to be Thai shrimp basil fried rice. And I have all the ingredients ready for you. First of all, I have 2 cups of jasmine cooked rice and I refrigerate it for about 11 hours to keep it cold, easier to cook. 2 eggs, and we need the seasoning sauce. We need oyster sauce. Seasoning sauce here is similar to light soy sauce. Fish sauce, sugar. I have about 10 to 12 jumbo shrimp, and obviously we need basil, some bell pepper, chopped brown onions, and I have Thai chili that I already pre-cut. I didn't want to make too spicy, so I only cut like half of each chili, Thai chili. So I have orange one, red ones, and some chopped one, and green. And this is sweet pepper, so I like to mix the color into the rice. So first of all, we need to stir fry the shrimp to set it aside. So I'm going to start with the shrimp. I'm going to add in maybe about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Put in the shrimp. And with the shrimp, I like to give it a little bit marinated flavor, so I'm going to add a pinch of garlic powder.
That thing gets hot quick.
So we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cook the shrimp first, and then we'll mix it at the end once we finish cooking the rice. So I want to kind of golden brown the shrimp with some color first. So we're going to let it cook for one side, and we'll continue with the other side. And of course this shrimp I got from Sprout, so it's already pre-deveined, so I didn't have to do much work there. So I already just peel the shell, but it's already cut, pre-deveined the shrimp.
They charge extra for that?
I think so. I think so. They'll try to get a good size shrimp, and these are the only kind they have. So I ordered down and just use some. I'm gonna let this cook at a medium heat. So I cook for about a minute or so, and then I flip it over. You can see the color turned out really nice. So now it's fully brown on both sides. I'm going to remove it, set it aside. Where did my shrimp fall out?
That's mine.
So the next thing we do, we are going to start with the rice. First, I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to crack 2 eggs. That's 1, 2. Now let the eggs fry a little bit.
You have to have special eggs or those regular eggs?
Just any kind of egg. You can use brown egg or white one. So you basically just can't scramble the egg right now.
Do they make gluten-free eggs?
Huh?
Do they make gluten-free eggs?
farmer. I don't think. Okay, so you don't have to cook the egg fully. Now you can put in the rice. I'm going to mix the rice with the egg in a bit. Press it down. Now I'm going to pour in the sauce. So we have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have 2 teaspoons of the seasoning sauce. 1 teaspoon of the fish sauce. Now I'm gonna put in the onions because I don't want to overcook the onions. I'm gonna mix the rice really quick. Now I'm gonna put it back the shrimp. So I want to cook the shrimp a little bit more.
And just so y'all know, she did not put the shrimp that fell on the floor back in there.
Yeah,
but I will eat that shrimp.
That's gone. Now I'm gonna put in, this is about 2 chopped garlic and about half of the Thai chili and half of the sweet pepper and jalapeno. And mix them in. So the spiciness is up to your taste. Depends how spicy you like. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Smells good.
Once you add the sugar, I'm going to add in the red bell pepper. This is just for garnish look. Make the color look pretty. Bell pepper is good for you anyway. So I turned it down to medium heat because I didn't want to overburn the rice and the shrimp. And I'm going to keep stirring it until everything mix and blend in. Again, if you like it more spicier, you definitely want to put extra Thai chili paste. And you can use the mortar to smash the chili and the garlic, but I chop it up instead. So now the last thing you want to do is to put in the final basil. That's for the rice. And you don't want to cook too long with the basil. I'm going to turn it off and stir it for another half a minute. Just want to make sure everything flavors well. It smells so good. Just for that quick different sauce, the soy sauce and the fish sauce, it's really blending with the meat.
So do Thai dishes cook with a lot of greens?
Thai cook with a lot of chili.
Oh.
They eat spicy. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna plate my shrimp at the bottom of the bowl. I'm trying to decor my shrimp. I'm gonna pour it in a plate, make it look nice and pretty. It works. So I'm gonna put it in this bowl and tying it really well. And I will place it in the plate. See, this only take you what? Less than 10 minutes to do the fried rice. So it's perfect when you have leftover rice, and that's what I do. I have extra leftover rice, and I decided, you know what? I'm not gonna make regular fried rice. I'm gonna make something spicy.
A chili powder. I can smell it. Was that chili powder or chilies?
Chili, the Thai chili is spicy.
Yeah, he's.
So this bowl is perfect for 2 cups of rice. I am going to press it down and give me a minute. I'll be back to give you my fried rice. Alright, so I have the final dish, decor or
Decorated.
garnish, and I put some cucumbers here. You can eat it like a salad, crunchy. And I also made chili, chopped minced Thai chili with about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, just to flavor. If you think it's not salty enough, you can add a little bit of flavor, or you can dip the actual cucumber into the fish sauce and eat with the rice. There you go. I hope you enjoy this dish. This is one of my favorites, Thai dish, basil fried rice with the shrimp. It's the best flavor ever. Thanks again for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy and try it out, share with friends and families. I'll see you next time. Bye. Let's dig in.